You're watching F5. We're here at AppWorld 2025 in Singapore. My name is Buu, Director of Community Evangelism at F5. Joined by my old friend Ahmed. Ahmed, can I get you to introduce yourself?
Ahmed Guttari, I'm leading the service provider business for F5.
Fantastic. Every time I talk to you, Ahmed, you've got exciting stuff going on, so I'm looking forward to this discussion. But first of all, let's talk about Singapore. You've got to experience this today. What are your thoughts on AppWorld Singapore?
Wow, it is an energizing event. Here in Asia, there are lots of innovation, and we have many of customers, and the amount of discussions we had with customers, the amount of projects innovation is second to none. We had plenty of projects, real use cases that we're diving in the customer, and we have been understanding exactly what they're doing, and we're showing the value, bringing to them to help them in this AR journey.
Fantastic. You've been at the forefront of that. Your team specifically has been doing some really cool innovations. Last time we spoke, you had announcement around really cool stuff. Maybe you can give us a little bit more of an update around some of those things and what we can look forward to.
Yes, announcement. Look, AI is extremely fast train. You need to get on that train. It's a bullet train, and if you don't innovate fast, you're not going to keep up with it. Look, if you see what happened the last few weeks in terms of announcement, looks like ancient history compared to what's going to be announced this week or next week. You blink and you have something completely new. And we have to keep up with that pace. So we announced our partnership with NVIDIA in March at GTC. It was around performance, multi-tenancy, and security. And we are going to announce a new set of innovation riding on that technology, and we will not announce it with customers because we've been working very closely and co-innovating with customers. Let me give you a glimpse of what we're going to announce. First, the LLM routing in partnership with NVIDIA microservice or inferencing microservice will be doing this smart LLM routing. So as a customer, you're not tied to only one LLM. You optimize your infrastructure by selecting the right LLM for the right prompt, right away without any performance change. We are doing the integration with their microservice, inference microservice called Dynamo to optimize the inferencing. That's going to improve dramatically the quality, the number of prompts, and the performance of the inference of the overall cluster. We're introducing capabilities such as token counting. If you want to reduce, if you want to count and limit the number of tokens used by an organization or group or a team, you can do that in a very precise way. What else? Oh, MCP. Everyone talking about MCP. We can support, of course, the proxy, the scale out of the MCP server, but the most important thing, the security of this MCP service. MCP is outstanding. The capability that MCP brings is they're impressive, but you have a security challenge. But that's what we do. We sit in front of it. We do the authentication, the authorization, the layer 7 protection of everything that goes to that server. Yeah, lots of stuff. Just naming few.
Yeah.
If you have another hour, I can give you all the list.
I'm running out of my memory card here, man. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, with all of that that's coming out, I would say, are we going to expect even more for later on this year? I'm going to set you up for this, and you can answer any which way you want, but what do we...
I told you we got to this bullet train, and you're going to see the rate of innovation. I can name a few others, but I'll keep it for the next video.
Sure.
Otherwise, you're not going to interview me anymore.
I'm sure there will always be something to talk about, Ahmed. I'm looking forward to checking out all of these things. Hopefully we'll have videos. I know we have a number of folks who produce great content around this, so looking forward to checking all of this out and being able to play with all of this. It's going to optimize the data center, especially in Singapore. They're building 44 data centers in Malaysia, just across the way over here. This stuff is really, really needed in those AI factories. So you can come here. You can come to Ahmed, and he'll be able to get you set up.
Thank you, Boo.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Boo.
See you on the next one. Bye, folks.